Today we're going to talk about the difference between the music business and the music industry, and yes, there is a difference. Before we do that, if you would go right below this video and subscribe, you'll get notified every Wednesday when I put out these new videos. And who knows, maybe I'll say something that could definitely help you. My name's Rick Barker, host of the Music Industry Blueprint podcast, former manager of superstar Taylor Swift. And lately, people have been asking me, Rick, what is the difference between the music business and the music industry? They're very different. There was a time where you needed the music industry in order to have a successful music business. That's because the industry had complete control. Okay, the industry controlled distribution. The industry controlled whether you could get with a good manager. The industry controlled whether you were heard on the radio or you ended up touring. But today, as a music business owner, which as an independent artist you are, you have access to all the tools you need to run your music business successfully. So let's take a look at what some of those tools are. First and foremost is you have the ability to create without having to ask permission. You can wake up in the morning, you can write a song, you can record a song, you can shoot the video on the song, you can utilize social media to distribute the song, and you could get paid all in one day. There was an opportunity not too long ago where that wasn't the case. So the music business is who you are. Now, with every successful business, you need to have a quality product. The product is your music. After that, it's your brand. Is your brand on point? Does your brand line up with your music? Also, to have a successful business, you need consumers, people. If you're McDonald's, you need people to eat your burgers. If you're Budweiser, you need people to drink your beer. If you're Nike, you need people to buy your shoes. In the music business, you need people to consume your music. With the industry at a time controlled if those people could find your music. Not today. With social media, you have the ability to get your music and your brand in front of whoever it is that you want to. Now, is the music industry important? Really depends on your goals. You know, I would love to know your goals. Down below in the comments, tell me what your goals are when it comes to your music business, and that will help determine whether you need the music industry in order to achieve those goals. Most of the time, if your goals are, I want to sell records, I want to tour, I want to win a Grammy. Ask Chance the Rapper. He didn't need the industry in order to win a Grammy. He needed fans that were streaming and consuming his music. So go ahead down below in the comments, let me know what your goals are. The industry is where the gasoline gets put on the fire created by you, the business. Okay, so I say this, the industry, if you want to have mega stardom, if you want to go to the biggest that you could possibly be, yes, the industry is very important for you. So the industry is looking for small businesses to invest in. I like to use Florida Georgia Line as a great example. Florida Georgia Line created their own business, put out their own song, put it up on iTunes. The industry had said no to Florida Georgia Line, but after they went ahead and launched their business and put their product out into the world, people consumed their business. They sold 100,000 downloads in like 8 months. And then the industry got involved, and then it went from 100,000 to 1 million to 3 million to 10 million. The sky's the limit once the industry gets involved. But right now, the industry wants to invest in small businesses. You are a small business. You want to make sure that you're running it like a business, that you're taking care of all the things that you need to take care of in order to make it work. All right, so if you would like to find out where you are in your business, maybe you need someone with experience to come in and help you run your business. All businesses have someone who's qualified to do that. Right below this video, you can take the management assessment. Are you ready to bring a manager into your business? I would love personally to take a look at your business. While you're down there, if you'll also subscribe and hit the notification bell, you'll get notified each and every time that I put out one of these videos. We put them out on a weekly basis. I'm doing everything I can to help your business. All right, I appreciate you. Down below in the comments, let me know once again what your goals are. I'll take a look at them. I love to read them. I love to answer them. And I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.